about the moon, the Manama. It has big holes in it. They're called craters. The craters are made by big rocks. They crash into the moon. They're called meteorites and asteroids. We have a big plate of flour. We're pretending it's a moon.
So how to make a crater, you can get anything that's round and just put flour in a bowl and then drop it in and then wait for a few seconds and then take it out.
And then there'll be a hole in it.
Some make small craters.
Whoa! A marble's like a meteor.
Some make big craters.
Big.
Some make a mess.
That was so big.
We did a great job making craters. Our Marama looks awesome.